Hey everybody, Eric with Solobox. So I just finished setting up this first generation Vstrom 650. And so this is how it looks with all three boxes. This is the first one that I've done myself with the new mounting system. And so I thought I'd show you guys really quick how this works. So when you open up the box, rather than have a knob on the inside that takes up space, I really like using M8 hardware with these Allen head screws. And so basically, to remove the box, you just keep the Allen head screw or the Allen wrench in the box, and you can take this out. That's the only part you have to take off to remove the box. And then it just lifts up off of the rail. You can see the pucks on the back there. And so that's how that works. The pucks just ride down here, and then that single threaded attachment point at the top. And so here's just the standard fair top box, and the other side. And so boxes are $3.99 shipped. Top box is $2.39 shipped. And if you get me on a good day, I will give you a discount on the frames if you do both of those. So frames are normally $200, but if you give me a shout, if you do all three pieces in terms of the boxes, I'll usually do something for you with the frames. So anyway, this is how this new Vstrom looks, and that's about it. Eric Solobox. Ride safe, everybody. Talk to you later.